Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech Everyday channel. Today I'm reviewing the Samsung Galaxy, the smartwatch 4, the classic one, which is 46 millimeters. So let's begin. So, first of all, I want to talk about the latest news. Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 and Watch 4 Classic were launched at the Galaxy Unpacked event on Wednesday, August 11. Both new smartwatches ran on Google New Wear OS along with the Samsung latest One UI watch on the top. I said the same latest news in the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4, which is not classic one, and which is 44 millimeters. And when you talk about the full specification, the dial color is black and silver, dial shape is round, strap color is black and silver, size is large, touchscreen is there, interchangeable strap is there, and water resistance is IP68. And water resistant depth is 580 m stainless steel, the dial material ideal for the unisex. The dimensions is width is 45.5, height is 45.5, thickness is 11, weight is 52 grams. And when to go to connectivity features, Bluetooth is there, GPS is there, Wi-Fi is there, or other connectivity features is NFC, and Bluetooth version is 5.0. Platform storage features: operating system is One UI, Watch 3 compatible operating system is Android, RAM is 1.5 GB, processor name is Exynos W920, internal memory 16 GB. Camera and display features: display resolution is 450 by 450, which is 1:1, and display size is 46 millimeters. Display type is AMOLED. Scratch resistant is Gorilla Glass DX. And when you talk about product details, the sensor: Samsung bioactive sensor, optical heart rate plus electrical heart plus bioelectrical impedance analysis, accelerometers, barometer, gyro sensor or gyroscope, geomagnetic sensor, light sensor. Compatible device is Android. Notification is there, or rechargeable battery is there. When we talk about the fitness and the watch functions, step count is there, calorie count is there, heart rate monitor is there, compass is the calendar is there, alarm clock is the date and time display is there, language is English, number of buttons is 2, other watch functions: heart rate, blood oxygen, electrocardiogram, EKG. And when you go to the audio and the video features, the last and the final speaker is there for the this category. That's all with the review. Hope you liked it. If you liked it, subscribe, like, comment, share, and turn on the notification button. And if you want more videos like this, you have to subscribe, and for daily tech videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.